This is a 48 S&P front turn signal bulb for the Group I. Driver's side turn signal initiated. And this is what it looks like with just the running lights on. Set that here. This would be the hyper flash. It doesn't bother me any, but it may bother some. Load resistors would fix that problem. Don't mind the rattling, it's just my hood. Also, I figured I'll show you my exhaust really quick. Got this done today. Got some more work to do on it, but it's a lot quieter now. If you've ever heard my other videos, you could clearly see it's a lot quieter. Also, you can see the red turn signal 63 LED. I also have those in stock. And of course also our 63 LED brake lights. Look for 20 LED turn signal pictures and videos to come soon, but not today.